Ka Sorkar jela kala Mynjur ya ka policy ban describe no igi kali rim vehicle scrappage policy bat bakan penkhoj ne weng no ya haduh kumba khatlai hajar teli ki kali rim na ki surok kenang man penduna ya ka jimpen mi tedam jabo kabakta ya ka maryang habakren Syllad pathai kubor hadien ka jingalang ka kinhun menteri hakasingi paleng u menteri bat nong aiktin ka Sorkar uba polling do uloong ki kali rim ki bam ya hap syu banyat hai ki surok kin hap hapo kani ka policy barok ki dan haduk kumba khatlai hajar tli ki kali ha Meghalaya ki ban sha weng no na surok kat kum kani ka policy ka batmai na kini san hajar tli ki kali Sorkar bat pra hajar tli ki kali jong ki brief shimen uloong baka jingyo nong ka bak crawling ba kani ka policy kalong ban ailat ya ka Sorkar bakan penduna ya ka jipen mi tedam jabo ling ba ki kali penduna ya ka jingthet umpanyang kali bat ka ban penslor ban shna bat penmi ya ki tiar ling ba ki kali rim kumba kalong menta ka shlong ka don hadu kumba arlak nyupun rio hajar arspa an ripo art ki kali ki bala register menta ngin sedang ban weng ki jingsngo kya ki baya day baka jingjak klia kal air bala penmi da ki kali ki bam kam shu bat ki bala rim ong menteri ubala benrap ru baka ne ka day ka sinjam ka banya srim bat ka bala le hakiri baro ka wei Henry da ka bakmi ya ka jinglong jingman ha ka liang ka yo ka kot jong ki pat ba ka jela ngin penbet ya ka ne ka kam da ka bas dang shwa na ki kali Sorkar ki bala kenjo khat san snem Nepalan kani kamut bakumbasan hajar teli ki kali Sorkar kin hap hapo kani ka policy di scrap kat baha ka baya day bat ki kali ki rio shimen la rai ban pentri kam shwa tang ya ki tu ki kali ki bala kenjo lai pesan snem shaneng ki badan menta kumba pra hajar teli
as is being done in the rest of the country, where you have a vehicle scrappage policy, whereby old, dilapidated, and cars which are no longer roadworthy will come under this policy. The major benefit of having this policy is to allow the government to reduce pollution levels through less emission, reduce fuel import, which means less extraction, and recycling of raw materials. And at the moment, Shillong has roughly 276,262 vehicles, followed by Tura and Jawai. We will now start addressing concerns relating to air pollution caused by inefficient and old vehicles. However, taking into account the overall economic condition of the people of the state, we will address the matter by first taking off government vehicles which are 15 years and older. This will roughly mean that around 5,000 government vehicles will come under this scrappage policy and therefore will be off the roads. Where private owned vehicles are concerned, we have decided to first implement by limiting this policy only to vehicles which are 35 years and older. Altogether, there are roughly 8,000 such vehicles. So 8 plus 5, altogether 13,000 vehicles will be off the roads as per this new policy.